In the early days after the collapse, money will still hold some value, but if supplies run out and systems fail, people will naturally turn to bartering as the primary means of survival. Those who are prepared by stockpiling valuable items will be able to trade for essential goods when the time comes. In this video, we're going to walk through some of the most important items you can start collecting now to ensure you're ready when the world shifts from currency to trade. Understanding what items will be in high demand can make all the difference in how well you navigate a post-collapse world. When bartering becomes necessary, it's important to approach each trade with caution and strategy. First, never let someone know exactly what you have. Instead, say you might know someone who has what they need. This creates a layer of protection that keeps you from becoming a target. It's also smart to break items into smaller portions for easier trading. Things like rice, beans, and even batteries can be split into Ziploc bags for more manageable trades. The same goes for alcohol. Stocking smaller bottles will make trading easier and safer. Another key tip is to avoid making trades alone. It's always best to bring someone with you for added security and support. Having a second person helps deter potential threats and ensures you're not caught off guard during a trade. And finally, choose a neutral or public location for your trades. This adds another layer of safety, reducing the chances of an ambush or being targeted. Fuel will become one of the most critical resources post-collapse. Whether for running generators, powering vehicles, or providing heat, gasoline and diesel will be in extremely high demand, making it a powerful bartering tool. Just be mindful of safe storage practices. Keeping flashlights, radios, and other essential devices powered will be crucial when the grid goes down. Batteries, especially rechargeable ones, will be in high demand. Having a surplus of standard AA and AAA batteries will give you an edge when others are looking for ways to power their devices. Small propane canisters for camp stoves or heaters will be extremely valuable for cooking and heating in a survival scenario. Stocking up on these now will give you an excellent bartering tool later. As people scramble to keep their electronics working, solar chargers and power banks will become invaluable. These items will keep devices like radios and phones operational when the power is out, making them strong bartering tools. Flashlights, especially when paired with extra batteries, will be invaluable for portability and reliability. Headlamps offer the added benefit of being hands-free, while solar and battery-powered lamps can light larger areas. These items will be must-haves in a grid-down world, making them highly sought after for bartering. Candles will become a vital source of light and even a little warmth when the grid goes down. In a world without electricity, they're simple but incredibly useful, especially for lighting homes and camps. Stocking up on candles will give you a reliable item for both personal use and bartering. In a world where safety is uncertain, ammunition will be more valuable than gold. Stocking up on common calibers not only provides you a personal protection, but also gives you a high-demand bartering item. However, ammunition should only be traded with family or individuals you trust deeply, as it could be easily turned against you. Not everyone will feel comfortable with firearms, which is where items like pepper spray and tasers come into play. These non-lethal defense tools offer peace of mind without the risk of lethality, making them highly valuable for bartering. In a post-collapse world where paper currency might be worthless, gold and silver retain intrinsic value. These precious metals have been used for trade for centuries and will still be trusted as currency when modern money systems fail. They're ideal for large trades or storing wealth in a more tangible form. Even in a bartering economy, cash will still hold value for a while, especially in the early stages of a collapse. Having smaller bills on hand will be useful for quick trades and minor transactions until bartering becomes the dominant form of exchange. Clean water is the most essential survival resource, and having water filters like the Sawyer Mini along with purification tablets will make you a key player in bartering. When others struggle to find safe water, you'll be able to offer a solution to a life-threatening problem. Stockpiling foods with a long shelf life like canned goods, rice, beans, freeze-dried meals, and pasta is essential for survival. These foods provide reliable nutrition when fresh supplies are scarce, and they'll become valuable trade items when others run out of food. In a world without stores, being able to offer basic meals will make you a sought-after trading partner. MREs are the ultimate in convenience for long-term food storage. With a shelf life of several years and the ability to be eaten cold or hot, these military-style meals will be a lifesaver when food becomes scarce. People will pay a lot for a meal that's ready to eat without much preparation or cleanup. Items like protein bars, trail mix, nuts, jerky, dried fruits, and candy are perfect for survival scenarios. These compact, energy-dense foods don't require refrigeration, making them highly valuable when fresh food is hard to come by. They're lightweight, easy to store, and perfect for quick boosts of energy, making them prime items for bartering. Not only is honey a delicious sweetener, but it's also a natural antiseptic that can be used for treating wounds. The best part? Honey never goes bad. In a long-term crisis, having honey in your barter stockpile will give you a valuable resource that everyone will want. Flour and baking powder might seem basic now, but in a world without stores, they'll become highly sought after. People will need these ingredients to make their own bread and other essentials. Stockpiling these items ensures you have a powerful bartering tool when others need to bake their way to survival. Salt is one of the most versatile and valuable items you can stockpile. Not only is it essential for flavoring food, but it's also critical for food preservation, making it a highly desirable item in any bartering scenario. In a world without refrigeration, salt will be in high demand. Like salt, sugar is an essential ingredient that people will crave when fresh food and comforts are hard to come by. It's also useful for preserving foods like fruits, making it a valuable trade item when people are trying to maintain their food supply. While most people will focus on survival basics, they'll still crave flavor. Spices and seasonings might seem small, but they can transform bland food into something much more palatable, making them a surprisingly high-value item for trade. Whiskey, vodka, or even small bottles of liquor will hold incredible value post-collapse. Not only are they stress relievers, but alcohol also has medicinal uses as an antiseptic. Small bottles can be easily traded for goods or services when people are looking for a bit of comfort in hard times. After the collapse, these luxuries will become highly sought after. People will crave normalcy, and having something as simple as a cup of coffee or tea could become a high-value trade item, making it smart to stock up now. Seeds, especially heirloom or non-GMO varieties, will become incredibly valuable as people look to grow their own food. In a long-term survival situation, having the ability to cultivate crops will be essential, and seeds will be worth a lot to those who need to establish food security. In a world without access to doctors or hospitals, infections that are easily treatable today can quickly become life-threatening. Having antibiotics like amoxicillin on hand could make you one of the most important people in your community, as people will be desperate to trade for life-saving medicines. Stockpiling over-the-counter meds like pain relievers, cold treatments, and antidiarrheals will provide you with items that people will need but won't be able to get. From managing fevers to stopping dehydration caused by diarrhea, these simple items will become highly valuable trade goods. Having a comprehensive first aid kit with bandages, antiseptics, and wound care materials will be essential. Not only will these supplies help keep you and your family safe, but they'll also be in high demand for bartering, as minor injuries can become serious if left untreated. With limited access to fresh food, vitamins will be essential for maintaining health. Stocking up on multivitamins and specific vitamins like vitamin C and D can help people stay nourished and healthy during long-term crises, making them highly valuable in trade. Parents will do just about anything to take care of the little ones, which makes diapers, baby wipes, and formula invaluable after a collapse. These items will become some of the first to disappear from stores, making them prime bartering goods when parents find themselves without essential baby supplies. It's easy to overlook how essential toilet paper is until it's gone. After a collapse, when basic supplies are no longer being restocked, toilet paper will become a critical commodity for maintaining hygiene. This simple item will be in high demand for bartering as people scramble to maintain some level of comfort and sanitation. Feminine products like sanitary pads and tampons are often taken for granted, but in a survival scenario, these will become crucial. These items are highly personal and essential for women's health, making them some of the most sought-after bartering items during times of crisis. These essential dental hygiene items will become crucial in a post-collapse world. Stockpiling toothpaste, toothbrushes, and floss ensures you have strong bartering items to maintain dental health when supplies run out, making them valuable in trade. Bar soap is a basic hygiene item that will be in high demand post-collapse. People will still need to clean themselves, and soap will quickly become a luxury item as stores run out. It's compact, easy to store, and inexpensive now, but will hold high value for trade when sanitation becomes a concern. Multi-tools, screwdrivers, hammers, nails, and other hand tools will be indispensable. In a world where you can't run to the hardware store, people will need tools to fix, build, and maintain their living spaces. Having extra tools to trade will make you a valuable asset to your community. Fire is essential for survival, whether for warmth, cooking, or safety. Stockpiling lighters and matches will make you one of the most sought-after traders when others run out of ways to start a fire. Duct tape is the ultimate fix-it tool. It's lightweight, versatile, and invaluable for repairs, patching leaks, and even medical uses. This makes it a highly practical and sought-after item in any survival scenario. Bleach is one of those items that people don't think about until they desperately need it. Whether it's for disinfecting surfaces or purifying water, having bleach on hand will make you a key player in your community. It has countless uses, and people will want it for sanitation purposes. Ziploc bags are incredibly versatile for storage, waterproofing, and especially for dividing bulk items like rice, beans, and batteries into smaller portions for trade. Their ability to preserve items and organize trades make them indispensable in a bartering scenario. Garbage bags have a wide range of survival uses, from keeping items dry to creating makeshift shelters or ponchos. Their durability and large size make them essential for both practical use and bartering. Cigarettes and vape juice will become incredibly sought after post-collapse. For those who have built up a dependence, these items will be high-value trade goods, and stocking up now ensures you have something people will trade almost anything for. Items like socks, thermal layers, and sturdy jackets will become incredibly valuable, especially in colder climates. Socks, in particular, wear out quickly and will be in high demand for trade. Stockpiling extra clothes ensures you have something valuable to offer when others need protection from the elements. In cold weather, blankets will become essential for staying warm and ensuring survival during long nights. Whether used for extra warmth or makeshift shelters, blankets will become a valuable trade item as people seek protection from the elements. Whether survival guides or fiction, books will become highly valuable. In a world where modern entertainment disappears, books will become a source of knowledge and escape, making them a great item to have for both personal use and bartering. Morale is important, and simple entertainment can make a big difference in hard times. Having games on hand will not only keep your spirits up, but will also be a great bartering tool for those looking for a distraction. With these bartering essentials, you'll be better prepared to trade for what you need when money no longer holds value. Stock up smart, trade wisely, and always keep safety in mind. What items are you stockpiling that could be valuable in a bartering system after the collapse? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Texan Prepper for more tips on emergency preparedness. Stay safe, keep prepping, and I'll see you in the next video.